Hey, good morning. Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2011 BMW 128 convertible. This is a nice little car. It's got leather, got heated seats, of course in an automatic, power windows, power door locks, of course. The car is super clean, black on black on black. Been very well maintained. 77 some thousand miles on it. I'll try to show you everything about it. Got Continental tires on it. They're in pretty good shape. Let me show you the rest. Looking inside the trunk, it has enough room for a set of golf clubs, as long as you don't have a big monster bag. Floor mats are in it. It's got a storage tray. I'll pull the roof down. I'll show it to you right now. Roof down is how this BMW actually shines. Roof closes electronically down into the trunk. Of course, it's got a rear seat. Here's the window mesh. It flips up. In fact, it comes all the way down so you get access to the rear seat. It's not real big. Probably a leather vinyl seat. Of course, windows and locks. In an automatic. You got heated seats, air conditioning's nice and cold. Got 71,000 miles on it. Got steering wheel controls. Bluetooth for the phone. Audio up and down. It's a great car, not a lot of money. Call me on it. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.